In this video, we're going to cover the creation of tag groups within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.9. This is a new feature which allows administrators to predefine sets of tags which can then be applied to resources in the Nerdio Manager console. For example, during the creation of a host pool, historically you would have had to add tags individually, which can be quite time-consuming and potentially lead to mistakes. Through the use of tag groups, we can avoid those mistakes and reduce the time required. To create a tag group, go to the Nerdio environment page, the tag group section, and click Add. From here, we can create our group, and we can create a set of tags. Obviously, these are just examples, but we can you can set whatever tags you need to and define them here. If we want to, we can optionally assign these to existing host pools, and we can update tags on custom resources. I'm just going to create my tag group at this point. You can see that that tag group is created in this tile. If we want to edit it, we can click in and make changes. And we can also delete it if we want to, and we can add additional. We're going to my host pools then. If I choose Add Dynamic Host Pool, as always, we have the option to create custom tags, and we can add the CM parent resource tag or resource parent tag as well if we want to. However, we now have that option to select the tag group that we just created. And you can see these are predefined. We can also add additional tags if we wish to, but the key takeaway here is that that tag group is now assigned to this pool for the creation process, and those predefined tags would be associated with it. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we will see you again.